Windows are an essential part of your home's structure, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. Proper maintenance is key to ensuring their longevity and efficiency, especially in Rockville's changing climate. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can keep your windows in top shape for years to come. Regular cleaning for clear visibility and functionality. Dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on your windows, reducing visibility and affecting their performance. Regular cleaning ensures your windows look great and function properly. Glass cleaning. Use a mild glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar to clean window panes. Avoid abrasive materials that may scratch the glass. Frame cleaning. Wipe down window frames with a damp cloth and mild detergent. For wooden frames, avoid excess moisture to prevent warping. Track and sill cleaning. Dirt buildup in window tracks can hinder smooth operation. Vacuum or wipe them out regularly to prevent obstructions. Inspect and repair seals and caulking. Windows rely on seals and caulking to keep drafts, moisture, and outside elements at bay. Over time, these components can degrade, leading to energy loss and potential water damage. Check for cracked or peeling caulking around window frames. Reapply caulk as needed to maintain a tight seal. Ensure weather stripping is intact and replace it if it becomes worn out. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. If your windows are difficult to open or close, lack of lubrication may be the culprit. Properly lubricated hinges and tracks prevent unnecessary strain on the window mechanisms. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to tracks, rollers, and hinges. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and dirt over time. Check for rust or corrosion on metal parts and address them promptly. Check for moisture buildup and condensation. Moisture between double-pane windows or excessive condensation on the inside can be signs of a problem. Inspect window seals for signs of failure. Use a dehumidifier in rooms with excessive indoor moisture. If condensation is persistent, consult a professional about replacing the window seal or upgrading to more energy-efficient windows. Protect your windows from harsh weather. Rockville experiences a range of weather conditions, from humid summers to chilly winters. Protecting your windows from extreme elements can help prolong their lifespan. Install storm windows or window films for added insulation. During winter, ensure windows are properly sealed to prevent drafts. In summer, use curtains or blinds to reduce heat exposure and prevent fading. Keep an eye on structural integrity. Over time, windows can develop cracks, warping, or structural weaknesses. Addressing these issues early can prevent costly replacements. Inspect for cracks in the glass or warping in the frame. Look for signs of rotting in wooden frames. Ensure window locks and hardware are functioning properly. Schedule professional inspections and repairs. While regular maintenance can prevent many issues, professional inspections ensure that your windows remain in excellent condition. Have a professional inspect your windows every few years to identify hidden problems. If you notice drafts, water leaks, or significant wear, consult an expert for repairs or replacement options. Final thoughts. Investing in window maintenance for longevity Maintaining your windows not only enhances your home's appearance but also improves energy efficiency, security, and comfort. By cleaning, sealing, and inspecting your windows regularly, you can extend their lifespan and avoid costly replacements. If you're unsure about any aspect of window maintenance, reach out to a trusted window professional in Rockville for expert guidance. Taking care of your windows today means long-lasting performance and value for your home in the future.